So what do you do when nature calls? It happened to me. Stick around and I'll let you know what I did. So what do you do when nature calls? Well, it happened to me just today. I was supposed to be editing video, working on organizing my office, but nature had a different plan for me. When I woke up this morning, the sun was shining, the wind was calm, and it was below freezing. That meant only one thing, that there was going to be frost on the ground, and nature was calling me to go out and photograph it. The thing about nature is that it dances to its own rhythm. It has its own plans. You're the one that has to adjust your plans when nature calls. So if it's not something that is critically important, you need to go out and shoot. It's as simple as that. When the opportunity arises, you have to take advantage of that opportunity. So when I woke up and saw it was perfect conditions to film frost, I knew I had to go. The editing of the video, the organizing my office, that's all stuff that can wait for another day. Nature's not going to wait for you. If you want to go out and photograph frost, or if you want to go out and photograph woodland wildflowers, or if you want to go out and photograph white-tailed deer fawns, you need to go out when opportunity strikes, when nature calls. So I can organize the office another day. The editing can wait until later this afternoon, but the frost is only here for just an hour or two after sunrise, so I have to make the most of it. So when nature calls, you need to stop what you're doing if you can and get out and capture it. If you like this video and want to see more of them, hit the subscribe button below and become part of the Photography Naturally tribe.